So stem cells mostly live in bone marrow, which is a spongy element of the bones. This is the cells divide to make new blood cells. Once blood cells mature, they leave the bone marrow and enter the bloodstream. A small number of the immature stem cells get into the bloodstream. Under the right conditions in the body or the laboratory, stem cells divide to form more cells called daughter cells. The daughter cells become either new stem cells or specialized cells. Differentiation of more specific functions such as blood cells, brain cells, heart, muscle cells, and bone cells. No other cell in the body has a natural ability to regenerate or to generate new cell types, ability to develop into many different cell types from muscle cells to brain cells. So stem cells, what are stem cells? Well, stem cells are undifferentiated cells with the capacity to both differentiate and multiply into the 200 cell types that form a human being. Increased understanding of how, I suppose stem cells helps us understand, increasing understanding how diseases occurs by watching stem cells mature into cells in bones, heart, muscles, nerves, and other organs and tissues. Researchers may better understand how diseases and conditions develop, generate healthy cells to replace cells potentially affected by disease, like regenerative medicine, for example. Researchers can research and come up with that. So this can be guided to becoming specific cells, which can be used in people to regenerate, potentially repair tissue that have been damaged or affected by disease. And researchers can obviously sort of test new drugs for safety and effectiveness. Researchers can use some types of stem cells to test drugs for safety and quality. So what I'm going to do now for an exercise is identify one article in EBSCO, please, to help discuss the ethical debates around stem cell research. So what I'd like to do now is got a 20-minute exercise to identify one article in EBSCO and help discuss the ethical debates that surround stem cell research, please. So any sort of questions before we do that? Okay.